the jump rope is your oyster. Sunday, you guys, and you'll probably see this by Tuesday because Sunday was the Lord's Day. I rested. Okay, not really. I just have been adjusting to going to grad school. So, yeah, we've been working out, but it wasn't anything I could show you guys. It's boring, so I just kept it to myself. But here I am doing a sweaty Sunday. And yeah, by the time I edit and upload, it's Tuesday. Just so you guys know. But next week, we'll be back to our regular, this week, we'll be back to Sunday this week. So let's do some jump rope after I do the elliptical. Yeah, let's go. What's up, you guys? So, I'm in the gym. So lies. You guys, I've been struggling. So, I've been doing jump roping and floating and elliptical and like bike riding and walking and doing it all, right? So it's been a challenge. It's been a real challenge. Talking about biting off more than you can chew. That's this girl. Let's go. I'm ready. What's up, guys? Hey, brought a friend today. This is Dara. So we did the Chloe Ting full body thing because you guys know I'm doing the challenge. So we're gonna do the squat and punch. So I'm gonna take the camera down so you can see us when we squat and punch. I'm just gonna do 5 because that's what I do. I thought I'd take some time today and tell you guys what, I get a lot of questions. I get a lot of questions about how many reps I do and what type of workout I do. So I will share that with you guys today. I started at doing 5 sets of 20. So 5 sets of 20 got too easy. I had to switch it up. That meant I had to increase my number of reps just to feel like I'm not breezing through it. It took me 30 minutes to do 5 sets of 20. Yes, it did. And then I went to 8 sets of 20, but it still didn't take that long. So I then had to just go with counting, I guess. And so I decided to go with 5 sets of 50. So, to be clear, all right? Now, I do 5 sets of 50. 5 sets of 50. I take 30 minutes, I do my 5 sets of 50, and then after I freestyle. Freestyling means you can do whatever you want, however you want. Before that, I do a basic skip, okay? It's a basic jump. It just means you go up and down. That's it. There's no trick or fun footwork to it. It's really not. Sometimes after I do the freestyle, I get into, that's when I do it in the freestyle, I get into like jumping to the side and, you know, trying to do all the fun rope tricks. I just jogged. I jogged 2 blocks, that block, and the one before that one, I was only gonna do 1, but then I ended up doing 2. I haven't jogged in a very long time. Oh my gosh, send help. Send help my legs. 5 things that I found fun about jump rope, okay, and the jump rope life is 1, you can literally jump rope anywhere. Anywhere. It's so great. 2, it gives you a positive attitude. I'll talk more about that. You guys got this. That was my first big lift. I lived to tell the tale. People ask how I am in such a good mood, you know, when I work out. Why am I smiling and looking like I'm having a fantastic time? It's because I convinced myself to be here, right? I got up, I came out, I'm working out, might as well smile about it, otherwise I'd cry. I would cry. 3, your playlist is everything. If you don't have a good playlist, you're dead. 4, you can start small. Don't let anybody tell you what you have to do or don't have to do, okay? You can start with 10 jump ropes. You can do 10 skips. 10 skip to the loo, my darling, all right? Or you can be crazy and do 500 or 1,000, whatever you want. You can start where you want to. It's your body, it's your jump rope, it's your fun. One thing I learned about jump rope is that it is a workout that doesn't feel like work all the time. Sometimes it feels like work because I'm doing a whole lot by recording and then doing it. But some days I don't record and I just jump rope because I feel like I need to do something that day, okay? So, just so you know, all right? It's a workout that doesn't feel like work. So 1, you can do it anywhere. 2, it gives you a positive attitude. 3, your playlist is everything. 4, you can start small or go big. And 5, it's a workout that doesn't feel like work. Boom. So happy jumping, you guys. So because I've been doing the Chloe Ting challenge, I've been mixing it up with some of her workouts and what I like to do. I did the deadlift for the very first time today. Before I do the 5 sets of 50, I do 10 minutes on the elliptical, 10 minutes on the elliptical, you guys. And then I did 3 sets of 10 on a deadlift. Exciting, I know. And then I did 5 sets of 50. So there we go, that's the workout. Yay. Let me just put my gloves on first. Ooh, they're nice because they are Apple Watch friendly, you know? You can put the glove on with the watch at the same time. Isn't that great? That's fantastic. Some gloves, not all gloves are made the same. Not all gloves are made the same, you guys. question is this too heavy? Okay. Yeah, this. What? Am I supposed to do my knees? Let me look this up real quick. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'm Jump Rope Sis. Give this a video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Can you double dutch? Do you enjoy jumping rope? I wanna know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys, because I'd love to see more of you. Tune back in on Sunday for a sweaty Sunday, you guys. This has been Jump Rope Sis.